Hello students, welcome in third video. I hope you are learning the chapter thoroughly at home. Today you will learn about our earth. So open lesson number 3. The title of the chapter is We Love Our Earth. Beta, Earth is the only planet where life is possible. Earth provides us air, water, food and shelter to live. So, it is our responsibility to protect our earth from pollution and we should love our earth. Now, related to these points, some true false are given in your book. Look at the book carefully and put a tick mark in the circle that talk about taking care of the earth and cross for the sentences that do not. Start reading first number. Pluck flowers and leaves from trees. Do you think we should pluck flowers or leaves? Pluck means remove or pull something. No, because flowers are the gift of nature. If we pluck flowers, no seeds would be formed and the plant may become die. So put cross. Second number, throw garbage here and there. Do you think we should throw waste in dustbin or in open area? Yes, I hope all are saying yes, ma'am. So put cross. Third is tease stray animals. Tease means to make fun of others. Stray animals are that animals those live without home. They roam here and there. The animals those live in our home are called pet animals, and the animals that you see on the road roaming here and there are called stray animals. So now, do you think we should tease stray animals? No. Yes. So mark cross. Now come on the fourth point. Use jute and paper bags. Jute is the name of the plant or fiber that is used to make sacks, bags, ropes, mats, etc. The things made of jute and paper can be recycled. Recycle means it can use again and again. So avoid using plastic bags because these cannot be recycled and it pollutes our earth. So we should use jute and paper bags. So put tick. Come on the fifth point. Fifth is use bicycle or walk as much as possible. Beta, we should use bicycle or we can walk to nearby places. Avoid using other vehicles like scooter, bikes, cars, etc. because petrol or diesel with which it works pollutes the environment. So we should use bicycle or we should walk wherever it is possible. So put tick there. Now come on sixth point. It is write on the walls of old buildings. Beta, as you learnt about old buildings in your first chapter, that is our famous monuments. You saw the pictures of the monuments. How beautiful buildings were those. So it is our responsibility. We should not write on the old buildings. So put cross over there. Now seventh number. Tell others about the importance of plants. Give message to others that don't cut trees because we get oxygen to breathe from plants and trees. Fresh oxygen is very important for our body. They also help in reducing the pollution level on the earth by taking in carbon dioxide and giving out fresh oxygen. So put tick. Eighth point. Waste water. Do you think you should waste water? No, beta. As we all know that water is an important source of human beings. Without water, there would be no life on the earth. We should save water for our future. There are few efforts by which we can save water. Save rainwater and use it for different purposes like cleaning, bathing, etc. Instead of shower, use bucket because it saves a lot of water. Don't let the tap running while washing your face or hands. So we can save water in this way. So put cross in the given statement. Ninth is plant more and more trees. Beta, we should plant more and more trees. As you know, the benefits of trees. Trees help to clean the air we breathe, filter the water we drink. So trees are like the vacuums of our planet. It means it provides us fresh air. Beta, you should plant one tree on your birthday. Water that tree daily. When it grows slowly, you will feel happy to see the tree growing. So put tick over there. Now read 10th statement. Write on both sides of paper. And we should not waste the paper because wasting the paper means wasting the trees. This is the reason why we should write both sides on the paper. So put tick there. Now look at the bottom. At last of this chapter, pink color box is highlighted. That is value based question. What do you think go green means? And the answer is go green means plant more trees. With this the chapter is over. So better learn these true false and question. That's it for today. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you beta. Goodbye.